Disclaimer, I am not a financial advisor. I am an investor and here for informative and educational purposes only. Please do your due diligence and research to determine if any given investment platform is for you. Please note there are no promises of fixed returns or guarantees of income when you invest, so do so at your own discretion and only do it in amounts that you are willing to possibly lose. I don't recommend investing any amount of money that you aren't comfortable with losing.
Hi there and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am going to show you how to purchase FON in your Bitget wallet. And FON is a coin that you'll need in order to withdraw your profits out of Novalink. So let's just jump right into this. So there's going to be two different ways in which you can purchase FON in the Bitget wallet. Let's start with the first way. So once you open your Bitget wallet, it's going to take you to this home page here. Once you're in here, in the top right hand corner, you see where it says BNB chain. You want to click on that and you want to make sure that you are in the BNB chain, okay? And you want to make sure you're not in anything else except the BNB chain. So once you're here, if you are using USDT BEP20 to purchase your FON coin, if you don't have any in your wallet here, what you do is you'll just click on USDT here. Then you're going to click on receive and then you'll send your coins over here. After you do that, do the same thing for BNB because you're always going to need a little BNB for gas fees. So just click on BNB, click on receive, send over some BNB. You only need a little bit, a dollar would do. And then once you have your USDT BEP20 as well as your BNB, we're now ready to head off to purchase the FON coin. So one more thing, you can also use USDT TRC or USDT ERC20, whichever one you want to use. Just make sure you have the coinciding coin for your gas fees, okay? But just to start off, I'm going to do BNB. It's much easier, it's much cheaper, and it's the way that I suggest you use this way too, or I recommend you use this coin too. So after you have your USDT and your BNB, you're going to click in the bottom corner where it says D app. So click on that. Once you're in here, in the search bar at the top, you're going to type in app.HieSwap.com. I already have it saved in here from my history, so I'm just going to click on that. Now, once you're in here at the top, you'll see that we're on the BNB chain because this is where I have my USDT and how I'm going to purchase the FON coin. Now right here where it says exchange and bridge, we want to highlight exchange. Once that's there, you'll now see that we have the BNB at the top and we'll have the FON chain at the bottom. So what we're doing is we're using our USDT BEP20 to purchase FON. So at the top, you'll see USDT, you'll see my balance here, and at the bottom, you'll see FON, because I already have some FON in my wallet. You'll see my balance there. So I want to do the max. I'm just going to type max, so it gives me the full $5. And then it populates at the bottom. It shows you I'll be getting 1.34 FON coins. And then in the receive address down here, I didn't have to do anything. It automatically puts my address down here at the bottom. So now we're just going to click on authorize. And then once this is authorized, it's telling you everything you're going to get. It's showing you your gas fees. We're going to go ahead and authorize that again. Use my fingerprint to process. And just give it a second to load and go through here. And I'm going to tap authorize again. And then we're going to tap exchange. And now we're going to confirm. I'll use my fingerprint again. And now it's showing that the transaction is in process. It's going to take approximately 53 seconds to complete. So we'll just let this go ahead and process through and just be patient and wait. And it looks like it's successfully done in shorter than 53 seconds. So we're just going to close out of that. And I'll just exit out of that. So now what we're going to do is in the top, I'm going to hit the X. I want to go back to my wallet, cancel out of that. And then at the bottom left hand corner, I'm going to tap on wallet. Now, as you can see, that $5 that was in here, the USDT, is now gone. So in the top right hand corner, you're going to click where it says BNB chain. Now we're going to change it to the FON smart chain. And then once we're in here, you now see that I have my FON in here. Let's just click on this. And now you see that I have 2.59 FON. Originally, I had about 1.3 in here now, but you see the FON that we just purchased has made its way to my wallet, so it's now in there. And it's pretty simple. That's it. That's the first way. So now the second way is and then the second way only works if you already have USDT FON in your wallet. So if you have USDT on the FON chain, the I believe it's, if I'm not mistaken, FSC chain. Yes, the FON smart chain. So if you already have USDT FON in your wallet, you can purchase FON using this second way. So at the top, make sure you're on the FON smart chain. Now you're going to hit the D app again in the bottom right hand corner. In the search bar, you're going to type in or select RosSwap. Now, once you're in here, you're going to select the amount of USDT that you want to go ahead and swap for FON. And then it's going to populate at the bottom. And I'm not going to purchase it. I just want to show you how. You just go ahead and hit allow and go through the steps, and then that's it. And it'll go to your wallet. So that's the second way. Once again, this second way only works if you already have USDT FON in your wallet. But if you don't have any FON at all, the first way is going to be the way that you'll want to go ahead and do it. And that's it. That's all you have to do.
If you enjoyed this video and found it extremely helpful, please comment, like, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you. Also, be sure to tap the little bell below so that you're always notified anytime I post new videos.